I love being in Brecon because the team here are amazing. They're really motivated, driven, they've got a fantastic attitude. It's great to be in Wales. I love the place, you know, and it's good to get down to sort of a rural community that probably don't have the opportunity to get out to London and do much education. So, you know, we're bringing it to them. Today I did a masterclass for the students, which was fantastic. They were great. So I think it will work really, really well here because, you know, the recipes that we're teaching are not all these flamboyant, eccentric recipes. You know, they're really kind of commercial, classic recipes. Just like if you went to a restaurant, you know, like a nice roast dinner, nice steak and kidney pie, but just done in a Michelin-star way and an easy way. So that they're easy to create, they're quick to create, and you can do them on your everyday clients. And to top it all off, you can kind of mix them together to get more interesting shapes if need be. Tonight we're doing a show for the local employers in the area where me and the college trainers are going to be on stage sharing with them the recipes that we teach and coach in the academy. The apprenticeship scheme is going to work amazing for employers here. Being an employer myself for many, many years, having lots of sales, I know the challenges as an employer. Our model works beautifully for employers because they can come to the college, they can come to the Lee Stafford Academy, they can learn really amazing recipes that they can take back to the salon, which means the salon owner can spend time in the salon with their clients making money. And not only that, the young person can bring them recipes back like big and bouncy blow dry, twisted tongue, and actually can do them in the salon for the employer, making the employer money and giving that young person experience and confidence.